Hi, I'm Christine from Harcourts. I've got another fabulous property and I'd love you to come and have a look.
With sensational corner street appeal and beautiful period charm, this original Californian bungalow offers the option to either restore, extend and/or invest. With stunning bay windows, stained glass features, fretwork and high ceilings, it's sure to impress. Including 2 large bedrooms, formal lounge with bay window and ornate wooden beams, formal dining with gas heater, separate kitchen and laundry. The home's connected to a fully self-contained unit with separate entrance, including kitchenette, bathroom, lounge and double bedroom. Currently returning $145 a week. A single lock-up garage and grassed backyard offers the choice to build a bigger shed or extend the home. Inspect it today.
Thank you for viewing this property today.
If you would like any further information on this property or any other properties we have listed, please call me, Brenda, on 0419 364477
or Christine on 0407 590085.
Thanks again.
Have a great day.